Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So before writing the code in the Terraform to create the Azure resource group, let it create it from the Azure portal. So we'll gather information about the resource group, like what are the information is required before creating the resource group in the Azure. Okay, so it would be better to create it first through the portal before replicating to the your Terraform code. Okay. So let me go to the Azure portal and let me find out the resource group. And you can define any resource group name as per your convenient. So let take an example like the RG hyphen example. And the region, like whatever the best region for you as for the your nearest, you can take it. For the time being, I'm taking the West Central US. Okay, for the dummy. Okay, and the tag I think it's not required because we are just creating the resource group. If you want to define the tag name you can, but for the time being I can skip it. And you can see the validation is passed. So before creating the resource group, just let me double check. Okay, so while creating the resource group, make sure you have to select the subscription ID, resource group, and the region. Okay, so mainly we require the subscription ID, resource group name, and the region name. Okay, so those things we have to write in our Terraform code. Okay, so let me create the resource group. It will take a maximum 1 to 2 minutes to get it created. So in the meantime, please just wait and let's see whether it is creating or not. Okay, you can see the resource group has been created. So let me go to the resource group and you can see the information about the our resource group. You can take a look on the overview of the resource group. Okay, it is the procedure to create the resource group. As it is created, just let me delete it. So similarly, we have to create the resource group using our Terraform code. Okay, so thank you guys. So I'll connect in the next session in order to replicate through the Terraform code. Okay, so till the time, goodbye, and I'll connect in the next session. Okay, thank you guys.